The year was 1957. A Chevy dealership in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania was setting up a performance shop led by four-time Sports Car Club of America national driving champion Don Yenko. The Yenko supercar was born.
My father's name is Donald Frank Yenko, and he got started in the automobile business. As a teenager, he would get the hottest car off the lot. He got started into the business with cars by racing. He raced with Gulf Oil. The cars that are modified by him are still in operation today and are thought of as true muscle cars that can beat anything. I think the year that everybody recognizes as the best was the 1969 Yenko Camaro. What he did was he was able to take a car that was okay and make it a muscle car that everybody dreams about.
Don's use of the COPO program to produce muscle cars like the Yenko Camaro by way of replacing the stock engine with a 427 Corvette engine meant that those looking for some real horsepower and style could get in the game. These rare Yenko supercars are selling today for upwards of $500,000. And while the muscle car market surges in 2022, we at the Charity Motor Club felt it only fitting to put together a one-of-a-kind event in Don's honor. Don Yenko's Muscle Cars at the Museum, sponsored by Classic Industries on Saturday, July 30th. We've partnered with the Saratoga Automobile Museum to bring you this one-of-a-kind show and in-person look at Don's legendary life, told by those who know it best. We're taking registrations for both modern and classic muscle cars, plus a VIP reception and live panel with special guests like Don's daughter, Lynn Yenko, Classic Industries and Yenko trademark owner, Jeff Leonard, and more. We'll feature rare Yenkos from the 1960s, as well as the current 1,000-plus horsepower Yenko Camaro being built by SVE. The VIP reception will include food and a cash bar while enjoying the live Q&A with our panel. Proceeds from this event will benefit the Charity Motor Club, who donates funds to a dozen low overhead charities in upstate New York. By joining us for the VIP reception and live panel, you'll receive a one-year membership to both the Saratoga Auto Museum and the Charity Motor Club included, a $125 value. So if you own a vehicle that would be a good fit for this show or would like to experience a piece of automobile history in person, we invite you to join us on Saturday, July 30th for Don Yenko's Muscle Cars at the Museum.